Bowling Green State University is a state-funded university. It is in Northwest Ohio. We have approximately 20,000 students. It has just turned 100 years old. The Bowling Green State Fire School came to Bowling Green State University in 1978. We have about 600 students that come each year that actually live on campus for 1 week at a time, and we have the resources that we've used from local fire departments. We have created partnerships with local fire departments, with the Ohio EMA, with the Ohio Department of Public Safety, and most recently with Rescue Methods. Each of these areas has a specialty in training. We help pull everything together so that these students receive the best training from all assets in the state.
Rescue Methods is a subcontractor that does curriculum development, consulting, direct delivery of training, as well as website management and maintenance for continuing education in regards to high-end technical rescue and advanced and basic level firefighting.
We stress training here, we stress education, we really stress development, and the partnership with Bowling Green validates that almost immediately. You know, here you have a state university who's willing to put their resources, their name, their credibility on the line to partner with us and deliver quality programs. We have folks that will go ahead and apply for degrees and are getting college credits through attending these courses. So that's a huge benefit to us.
One thing that we've prided ourselves on is hiring the best instructors. We've taken people with the hands-on experience, with the leadership experience, and we brought them into the classroom to teach these students who've never been exposed to anything like it. And they're sharing their knowledge, they're networking, they're making an impact on these students that they're taking back to their communities and then teaching all their fellow firefighters that weren't able to come to fire school.
As a group of instructors, we've tremendously grown throughout this 5-year process of partnership. Trench Rescue is a great example of what Bowling Green does and how they foster this whole network of education. We bring in vendors from multi-states to support the technical equipment and the logistical needs of a large-scale trench operation. We use local entities for our backhoe and excavation equipment. We utilize Washington Township as a primary resource for training environment as well as additional logistics. Rescue Methods provides all the instructors. Bowling Green mandates all the certification process and all the record retention. So you can see that just for a simple application like Trench Rescue, you have 7 to 8 entities that Bowling Green has brought together to ensure that that class is pulled off in a really, really high-level training environment for the student.
This program's impacted me greatly. The instructors we have far surpassed my expectations, and the equipment and tool cache we have are the most up-to-date high-tech equipment you can find in any tool cache. The style they have, the attitudes that they bring, the intensity that they bring to this program just far surpasses my expectations.
We always say that the State Fire School is run by firefighters for firefighters. If our students come to us with an idea, we will go to our instructors and say, can you develop this idea and how do you plan to do it? So we have had students who've asked for advanced training, so we developed a tech rescue program. We've had students who said, our fire officers are dwindling down because of early retirement. So we've talked to our instructors and we've developed a fire officer program that we've started delivering not only online but in the classroom.
The fire administration degree at Bowling Green State University is a 100% online bachelor degree completion program in fire administration, specifically for working adults who already have previous experience and want to advance through the promotional process and prepare to be chief officers.
I'm a busy guy. I'm a fire chief. For me, the online environment is perfect. I can take up my computer, I can take my study material, go into a private area, complete my work, submit it electronically, and that is what's going to get me my education.
We really want it to mean something when people graduate from Bowling Green State University with this degree, and we expect our graduates to have the skills that it takes to be a chief officer in today's environment.
There's a lot of training that's available for firefighters to actually do the job. There's rescue training, there's rope training, there's fire suppression, there's fire attack, water of movement. There's all kinds of training that's available out there. The amount of training, leadership, and administrative training for fire officers is pretty limited. BGSU is a leader at this aspect. We are setting ourselves apart as students going through this program to be better prepared for the future.
A fire department hiring one of our graduates can expect someone who can lead strategic change, who can think professionally and act ethically in all situations. They can expect to work with someone who understands finance and accounting and budgeting and different government structures and how to communicate with different entities, they can really expect somebody who is on the ground, ready and prepared to meet the challenges that face chief officers today.
To work with these folks has been unbelievable. We appreciate all the opportunities so far, and we look forward to the future.